delivering some food. So this is his car right here, parked in the fire zone, and he's just hoping nothing will happen. And he's using his phone right now to tell the person that ordered it, who wouldn't come downstairs to pick it up because they're too fucking lazy. You're looking for him right now. Oh, he found him. Yeah, he could have pulled through here. Anyway, let's see what's happening in here. Never wear those shoes in Vegas. Elvis. $10. This is one of the best shoot to win tables and machines in Vegas right here. Every now and then you get somebody that's ruining it by smoking like hell, but you just have to deal with it. $2. And great cocktail service, beer service. The $10 table, nobody's playing. They have almost all Asian dealers. It's not a stereotype that Asians understand math better than everyone else. They just do. Just accept it. They're really good dealers. Philadelphia won a game. How about that? $100 table. I got paid. All right, I can go home now. Remember when Huff and Puff came on and everybody was all Instagramming it and social media was going crazy about Huff and Puff? And look at it. It's like Five Guys hamburgers. They only had one location, everybody wanted to go. Then they had 5 locations, everybody wanted to go. Then they had 20 locations, everyone said, whatever. Now it's pretty much out of business. Well, I just walked from downtown back to the Strip because my bus was taking so long. I looked at the app and it said 25 minutes. I said, shit, I can walk in 20 minutes. And guess what happened? I did walk. And I saw the bus pass me in the last 100 yards. Joke's on them. I got a lot of points on my fitness watch. I'm going to sell that to somebody that's really rich that wants to tell their spouse they were really walking today. This place was packed just a few hours ago because the NFL has officially started. They started last night. World's largest. Circus says they're the world's largest. I'd like to see a fight. Pocahontas. Westgate Polka. Anyway, so I came from downtown, and it's every place downtown is happening right now. Stay tuned for those videos. They're really, really good. They're not empty like this. But this is Westgate, and all the games are over for today. Tomorrow morning, this place is going to be packed. Tomorrow afternoon, this place is going to be more packed. Tomorrow night, it's going to be even more packed. Packed times 2. If you want to see sports, this is it. This is the place to go. If it's a real popular game or popular time, you got to get here early to get a seat. These seats are open. Just like a lot of sports books, they're starting to crowd the VIP seats into the open seats. So they used to be only to here. They used to be right here. Okay. And that left all these seats. But look, this year, well, last year they did this. They decided to increase their VIP seats. Well, they just don't want the people that are loitering in here, that are doing nothing. They're not betting. They're not doing anything except drinking. Probably out of their suitcase. That's what it is. Wow, Friday night, and this place is dead. You normally have to stand in line to get food here for at least 45 minutes. So, when you come to Vegas, you have to connect with your social media all the time. No reason to look up. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'll use this as my end screen right here. The end screen is the last 20 seconds of a video. I don't like to use a good part of the video as the end screen. So this is the end screen. It's just nothing. It says subscribe and check out this video. It's a real trick. I'm a trickster. All right, that's it. That's the end of the trick.